Camps should be places of refuge for people fleeing conflict, disaster and persecution. But they can be dangerous, especially for women and girls who fear gender-based violence. Inadequate lighting can significantly increase the risks they face, jeopardising safety and dignity. Overwhelmingly, people living in camps say that providing adequate lighting should be a key priority for humanitarians. Camps can be extremely dark after sunset. As well as helping people navigate physical hazards and avoid dangerous wildlife, lighting can reduce the risk of protection threats, such as sexual violence or robbery.
We recognize that the female didn't use the toilet during the night because they are scared from getting harassment because there were no lighting. There was a woman who told me that all of the IDPs in her sector were trained. At the same time, there were no lighting on the latrines. So she was scared to use the latrines during the night, and also she's scared from getting harassment.
It is important to design lighting solutions that are sustainable, easy to maintain, and owned by the community. So build trust in communities and work with them to understand different groups' priorities using surveys, focus groups, interviews, and other research tools to get opinions from a range of different people. Support community groups to have discussions about lighting, develop relationships with local authorities, and take ownership of projects. They can become maintenance groups once lighting is installed. Both communal and household lighting may be required. Fixed lighting, like lampposts or string lights, might be installed on walkways, around health centres and markets, and inside and outside key facilities like latrines. Portable lighting, such as lanterns to hang in shelters and directional torches, help people move around at night. Crisis-affected communities should decide on where and what type of lighting is installed.
So if you look behind me now, you can see a solar lamp that was installed there following a community-based approach. They told us they needed light. We went with them, they showed us where were the main risks at night and where they needed the light to be. They also took ownership of the lights. They will be the one doing the maintenance. They will be the one calling us if there is any issue so we can make sure the warranty works out.
Installing public lighting is a major investment and hard to change once done. An engineer will need to assess what will meet safety standards and set the position and angle of lights. You should use local contractors and traders to procure and install lighting. Assess and build the capacity of community members to maintain the facilities. Ensure that all contractors are required to comply with safeguarding and PSEA regulations. And if several agencies are working on lighting, agree joint technical standards on community involvement, safety and maintenance to improve technical standards through joint warranties. Access to and control over lighting is gendered. Even when lights are delivered to every household, Oxfam's research found that women and girls have far less access to lighting devices than male family members. If only one light is supplied, they often lose out. Assess each context carefully to ensure equal access. Humanitarians should ideally buy locally to support local traders and markets, helping encourage them to stock good quality items that meet standards and supporting community cohesion. However, lighting alone is not enough. It needs to be part of a comprehensive multi-sector plan to tackle the risks of gender-based violence. Lighting solutions should be combined with safety audits, security measures, and work tackling the gender inequalities that underpin gendered violence.
Lighting plays a key role in addressing gender-based violence.
For further information, a range of tip sheets, guidance and case studies are available on our website.